Hi, Teal Room. This book is called One Windy Day. Do you see the wind blowing? It's blowing the leaves and the mail. Fox loves the wind, but today, one windy day means... Uh-oh. Up, down. What is the wind blowing? The wind is blowing the mail. Wet, dry, left, right. The wind is blowing the mail everywhere. High, low, near, far. It's blowing it far away. Over, under, light, dark, open. The bag is open and all the mail is coming out. Closed. He has to close it to protect the mail. Fox loves windy days. Thank you. They're helping him gather the mail. The end. What do you do on a windy day? I hope you have a good day. Bye, Teal Room.